What's going on, guys? And happy New Year to you, man. Y'all already know who it is. Boy, it's your boy, New Year's Breezy, baby. Breaking in the new year with a bang in more ways than one. Everything is popping off. Some going good, some going bad, some going aight. You know what thing going aight. You be like, aight, you know what I'm saying? I wish it would do a little better. But anyway, man, we're going to jump right into it because it's New Year's Day. Half y'all ain't even up. You know what I'm saying? You drunk too much, man. Crypto, man, you got to be on crypto 24/7. Anyway, man, Bitcoin pushing 30,000. We're trying to get there, but hey, we gonna see. Are we gonna get there? Are we not? Man, imagine if Bitcoin don't get to 30,000, and then we got to go through another 3 years of it went to 29. It's crazy. Remember, because it didn't get to 20 last. They got like the 19.6 or something like that. But anyway, man, let's see. Gains.farm, they found a critical bug this morning. The price of the units. Oh, that's okay. We had found a critical bug this morning. Everybody was able to get out and sell in my Telegram network. I don't know if you probably ain't watching this yet. I don't know how y'all be thinking crypto is set it and forget it. You can't set it and forget nothing in crypto. Anyway, man, let me see. Go back to the farm. Go back to the farm. Yeah, they got the thing on everything. I think it was something found with the NFTs. Somebody found a way to convert the NFTs to Gfarm. So I don't know. Who knows, man? Y'all some smart dudes out there. Y'all need to be using that to something else and stop messing with these platforms. Anyway, yeah, like I said, everybody was able to unstake. I was able to unstake and get my dividends and everything, man, to sell. See, I remove liquidity. I know how to do this stuff, man. Uh, the price, this was what's funny. The price is still higher than what I bought it at. I jump in first, so I don't be. I tell y'all all the time, crypto punishes procrastinators. That's what it does. So if you waited till it was $8, well, I think this gonna be all right. Then that's on you. But if you look at my first video, I got in like 90 cents, so it's still higher than when I got in. That's still a profit. The liquidity is still there. It's going down. And I don't know by the time you see this video, it might be gone because, like I say, you can sell. It's not like it's gone. You can sell it. They just found a bug in it. So that's that, man. That's Gfarm. Boy's a hell of a ride, boy. I don't know who them devs is, but what? The funny thing is, if they do it again, I'll be right back in it. You just gotta be early in these things, man. Get your money and get out. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's go over here to Tronchain. He's going, you know what I'm saying? This one, you know what I'm saying? Oh, Titanic. I'm starting to call Tronchain the Titanic because it's going down. Everything in crypto ends. I mean, I said that every video. Everything. I don't care what it is. Everything is going to end, man. But anyway, let's see what we got. We're still at 388 million. We got 11, almost 12 million in the insurance. I don't know how they're gonna do this insurance thing. I'm interested to see how they're gonna do that. I don't think I qualify. Well, I don't qualify for it on this particular one, but I qualify for it on my other one. Because you can see in this particular one, I put in 125 and took out 387. So I ain't gonna get nothing. I done tripled my money. Let me see my other account. Yeah, let's check the old duplex right quick. I'm about to do a bankroll giveaway, so stay tuned for that. If you hung in this long, I'm about to do a bankroll flow giveaway in just a minute. So hold on, be strong. Let's see what in this account right here. Oh, I got 4,000 to get out. They still owe me 980,000. Let me see. Come on now, come on now. Don't start that. Don't start that. Let me get that. Let me get that. Thank you. I'm going to go push that over 570,000. Just look at that. I gotta take out 573 just in this one. I only put in 5, but total, look at this. I put in 646. Remember, I was under when I first did that video. I was like at 2 something taken out. I took a chance to put in 500,000, but I done got over a million. I got a 1.026 million Tron up out of here. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. I will check my other account, but I'll get to that later, man. We gotta do this Bankrollflow. Oh, before we do that, let me check on E2X. I don't know if I showed y'all my last withdrawal. These withdrawals. I got that half ETH out, and now today is the day of start. Day 51, so I'm gonna get paid today and get paid tomorrow. So I'm gonna get paid 2 more times and I'm gonna withdraw tomorrow at 7 o'clock. That'll put me over another half ETH. So all I do is just stake the same coins, man, and get half ETH out. So that's a whole ETH. That's a whole ETH out of 2 stakes. I told you it don't matter about how much in. I ain't gonna keep saying it, man. Y'all ain't gonna listen. Anyway, let's get to this bankroll flow. Wow, where I'm at. Oh, this my little baby. I'm like, well, what happened to my money? Then my little baby account I be rolling. I started with 2,000 in here. I'm up to 7,000. Gotta keep right. Matter of fact, let me roll that. Let me roll my way to victory, baby. You gotta keep rolling, man. And this is my baby account. It's just my little baby account. You know what I'm saying? See, roll up. I'm almost up to 8,000. Now let's get to the big dog account. Where the big dog account at? Let's see what we got. Over here on the big dog account, let's see what we got going on, man. Look at your boy. I'm almost at 50K. Boy, I'm almost at 50K. I'm at 49.5. That thing worth 38.1 thousand. Well, tell you what, if you don't understand compounding, I mean, you can call it compound interest, compound finance, whatever. If you don't understand compounding, bro, I don't know what to tell you. This is man. It's almost to the point of making me nervous. Like this thing can't be that good, bro. I'm just waiting for another. I ain't gonna even claim. I ain't gonna even call. I don't even want to put it in the air like that. But yeah, man, that's where we at with it. So we're gonna do a little giveaway down here. How we gonna do? I forgot how to do this thing here. So I just like sending it out myself. You know what I'm saying? Putting the address in, on Tron thing, and send. But it just take too long. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do it like this: team airdrop under my team. And if you wanna be on my team, copy this address in the description, put it up under your buddy pass, and just put 1,000 Tron in there. Put 1,000 Baker X. You can open up another thing, you know what I'm saying? Open up another account and just put that in there, and you good. And then we're gonna get this divide budget between all matching players. Do I? And I want them to. Oh, I can leave that right there, right? Let's see. Yeah, I can leave that like that. So I don't know how many people. Minimum directs. Yeah, you gotta have no minimum directs. I don't care nothing about that. You can just be solo. See what I'm saying? You can be solo dolo with no. You gotta have no directs. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking that's what that means. That minimum direct. You can be just solo dolo. Just put that in your butt address. Put 1,000 banker in there, and you qualify. Minimum depth, team depth. What? Well, I guess that just means you. I'm guessing. Minimum net deposits. 1,000 minimum. Let's see what we got. I want to see how much is 500 back. That's a lot of goddamn drawing. Wow. Airdrop enabled. Run a successful campaign. Let's see. Let's run it. Let's see here. Oh, we up to 20. We got 20. But y'all getting it now. We only had 5 the last time. Though we got 20. That should be 66. If I got 66 directs, what are y'all doing? What the other 46 doing? Trying to put one banker and then add 30 accounts under yourself? No, bro. Come on, man. So that's 20 people. Let's see how much to go. Talking to the sin, right? Let's see. Okay, ready to sin. Boom. Drop that banker X on you. Oh man, I gotta do it like that. I kind of like doing that though, cause I get to see. You get to see if your address qualified. Look right here and see if your address qualified. That you? That you? That you? Or is that you? Did you qualify? Is you getting this banker airdrop to you? You waking up on New Year's Day, first day of 2021 is being great, cause you are getting Banker X in your wallet. That thing worth 28 drawing a piece. I can't believe that. It's about to hit 30 drawing a piece in a minute. Come on, man. 20 yet? Well, I think the thing I overdid. I think I ain't got the 28. Give away all my dough. I don't think it got no limit. I think it's gonna give away all my dough and bacon eggs. See? Thing just keep going. I drop a piece. All right, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. I'll be doing them. Now that this number is going up, I'll be doing them more frequently, guys. So don't worry. I'll be doing it. I'll be doing it. There we go. There y'all go. I appreciate y'all, man. Hey, like the video, comment, subscribe, and keep rolling, baby. Keep rolling. Holla at your boy.